Shah, Head of Research and Development Department of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. And I am deeply humbled and honored to be selected for the obligation to share the remarkable success story of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges and to showcase the exceptional achievements of our brilliant students. I welcome you all on 25th and 26th Annual Prize Distribution Ceremony. I want to extend my bundle of welcome to the honorable chief guests that have joined us today. The eminent chief guest, Khwaja Mazharul Haq, Additional Secretary, School Education Department, South Punjab, and along with him, Jamshed Ali Shah, Senior Civil Judge, and one more worthy guest, a heartiest welcome to Malik Muhammad Salim Sahab, Tamga Imtiaz Gallantry, District Head, Intelligence Department. Thank you so much to all the valuable guests that have joined us today and grace our event with your presence. Next, I would like to present a cordial welcome to the honorable parents who are the special guests of today's event. Yes, valuable parents, you are the exclusive guests. So, my welcome to all of you in thunder of claps. Please join me. Alongside parents, a joyful and warm welcome to the brilliant students of Al-Hai campus. Yes, dear students, where are you? Can I see? Clap your hands to show your presence in the hall. Once again, a warm, gracious and delighted welcome to everyone sitting around on behalf of respected chairman Sir Javed Iqbal and the passionate team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. Respected audience, it is a moment of gratitude and gratefulness. I am feeling blessed beyond my years. So, from the deep core of my heart, I am thankful to Allah Almighty for all the blessings, the countless blessings that Allah gave us even without asking. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, millions and trillions of thanks to Almighty Allah that Britain Group of Schools and Colleges has completed 26 years of excellence. It is a moment of pride, dear parents, for us and for you as well. So I want to say congrats to everyone, to the parents, to the students, the team, and the chairman, Sir Javed Iqbal. Praiseworthy guests, it is a time to take a glimpse into the journey that started 26 years back, a journey towards success. Let's take a moment to review the milestones achieved, the challenges overcome, and the triumphs celebrated. It was in 1995 a dream was realized by a person, the person none other than Sir Javed Iqbal, the dream that became the aim of his life. What was that dream? It was to contribute something positive to the society, to give something back to the society, to bring a change, a positive change into the society. And such dreams are not merely just dreams, but they become magnificent aim. That big dream took shape of a school system, a system that will offer combination of international standards of education and Islamic values. And the journey towards this dream finally took its first flight in 1998 by opening of the very first campus, Al-Awwal campus, with the slogan of spread light and the motto V-shaped character. In 2013, when Britain International College Network came into being, a new slogan was introduced. That was, dream big, your future starts here. Alhamdulillah, I am standing here feeling extreme pride that in 2024, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges has completed 43 campuses all over Pakistan with more than 1,700 plus team members. So dear parents, please show your appreciation in form of thunder of your claps. And we can proudly claim that Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, your system, not just ours, is the fastest growing system of Pakistan, Alhamdulillah. Here on the screen, you can see a network of our authorized campuses. Alhamdulillah, we have 8 campuses that are offering Hifzul Quran along with the studies, and successfully established 12 premium campuses that are fully equipped for the facilities of the students. There are 2 upcoming mega projects as well, dear parents. A new premium campus in Burj Executive Villa is going to be launched soon with the name of Al-Ahad campus. And in January, our new campus with the name Al-Ghani campus is starting in Kadibur Rama. Dear parents, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges is striving hard to cope up the challenges of 21st century education, to impart the skill-based learning into the students. So that is why over here we provide STEM-aligned curriculums to the students. And we also offer benchmark education, also known as inquiry-based learning, to let the students think outside the box and explore their interests and curiosity. And dear parents, now to unveil a secret in front of you, I'm feeling really delighted to announce that Britain Group of Schools and Colleges is launching soon advanced basic coding courses using Scratch software and use of AI education in Al-Hai campus very soon, inshallah. So put a round of applause to show how much excited you are for this new edition. Dear parents, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges is a unique system where under one platform, under one system, under the umbrella of Britain family, we offer comprehensive range of educational programs. We offer playgroup till matriculation, O-levels and A-levels, intermediate and Hifzul Quran as well. We are not only offering these programs, but very importantly, we are also showing best results everywhere. So, esteemed chief guests and the worthy parents, the moment has arrived to reveal the outstanding results of our brilliant students in the last 2 sessions. Alhamdulillah, हर साल बोर्ड के इम्तिहानात में पोजीशन लेने का एजाज बरकरार है और ये एजाज है ब्रिटेन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस के पास. Here I am going to show the remarkable results of 2023. In intermediate, our students secured first position in Multan board, Fahama Ali, and also second position in Multan board with the student name Maha Mansoor, and not ending here, 5th position in Multan board by the name of the student Daud Ahmed. In matriculation, 2 students got 1085 marks out of 1100, Marish Jalil and Varda Paracha. Let's look at the summary of the matriculation result. Total 316 students appeared, out of which 221 students secured A+ grade and 279 students secured A+ and A grade. And Alhamdulillah, overall 100% results were achieved. Coming towards the O-level result of 2023, 2 students got 8 aesthetics and A's out of 8 subjects, and many students, as you can see on the screen behind me, secured 7 aesthetics and A's and 6 aesthetics and A's. Alhamdulillah. In Hifzul Quran, total 38 students completed Hifz from the platform of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges and passed the Wifaqul Madaris exam. And now comes the astonishing results of 2024. Alhamdulillah, I am pleased to say, once again, position in Multan board, our students secured 2nd position, Munib Ahmed from Britain International College Network Boys Campus. In 10th metric, 3 students secured 550 marks out of 555, Maryam Sarfaraz, Hamza Rayaz and Amna Atta. And 2 students secured 548 marks out of 555, Romesa Arshad and Maila Abid. And 3 students secured 546 marks out of 555, Hamza Suhail, Muhammad Usman and Maryam Salman. Let's look at the summary of the 9th metric result. Total 464 students appeared, out of which 303 students secured A+ grade and 387 students secured A+ and A grade. Alhamdulillah, once again 100% results were achieved. In 10th metric, our student Bilal Arshad secured 1176 marks out of 1200, Amna Hussain secured 1174 marks out of 1200. Norisa Khan and Laiba Atiq secured 1173 marks out of 1200. Looking at the summary, total 382 students appeared, out of which 261 students secured A plus grade and 325 students secured A plus and A grade. Alhamdulillah. And dear parents, here I would like to make a claim, a big claim, that only Britain Group of Schools and Colleges share the results summary in front of us in the form of prayers and trust of the honorable parents. Dear parents, आपका दिल की गहराइयों से शुक्रिया जो past 26 years आपने अपनी motivation और support and especially your appreciation that you have shown towards our students and the team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. This clap from the side of administration of head office and from me to all of you. Then Allah's blessings are with us in the form of efforts and hard work of the devoted team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. Strong, dedicated and diligent team. Their efforts are crucial in the success of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. We are truly grateful for their dedication and passion as they are the driving force behind all the achievements that I have mentioned today. Lastly, Allah's blessings are with us in the form of passion and big dream of respected Sir Javed Iqbal, who is a great educationist, passionate leader, researcher and a trainer. By implementing the policy of promotion within the system, he has developed his own team that is leading the departments of head office. As you can see on the screen, there are currently more than 10 departments working at head office directly under the supervision of Sir Javed Iqbal. All these departments centrally control all the campuses and they make sure the training and development of the team is done on the same platform. Why is that so? Because it is the dream of Sir Javed Iqbal to make his team more valuable and his students high achievers. So thank you so much respected sir for all what you have done and you keep on doing for the students, team and the worthy parents. This couplet is for you, dedicated on the behalf of teachers and students of Al-Hai campus and overall BGSC. आपसे ही BISS की कौम की खुशहाली है, आपसे ही BISS की कौम की खुशहाली है, आपने ही कश्ती सबकी तूफान से निकाली है। फर्श की खाक को परवाज़ सिखाई आपने, आपने तकदीर हजारों की बदल डाली है। Bundle of thanks to you sir for all your efforts for your team and students. Praise-worthy audience, I would like to bring my speech to a closure by once again extending my thanks and gratitude to all of you and to our chief guests that have joined us today, Mr. Khwaja Mazharul Haq, Sir Jamshed Ali Shah and Sir Malik Muhammad Salim. Thank you so much respected sirs for joining us and thanks to you dear parents for your appreciation and